Hello and welcome to this YouTube video on making money online through YouTube automation. In this video, we will explore various business ideas that can help you earn money online and create a cash cow channel using YouTube automation. First, let's start with the basics. What is YouTube automation? YouTube automation refers to the use of software tools and services that help you automate various aspects of your YouTube channel, such as video creation, publishing, and promotion. By automating these tasks, you can save time and effort while also maximizing your channel's reach and earning potential. Now that we understand what YouTube automation is, let's talk about some business ideas that can help you make money online through this platform. One of the most popular ways to earn money on YouTube is through advertising revenue. This involves monetizing your channel by allowing YouTube to display ads on your videos. The more views and engagement your videos receive, the more money you can earn through advertising revenue. Another way to make money on YouTube is through sponsorships and brand deals. If you have a large and engaged audience, you can partner with brands and companies to promote their products or services in your videos. This can be a lucrative way to earn money online, but it's important to ensure that any brand deals you accept align with your channel's values and interests. In addition to advertising revenue and brand deals, you can also earn money on YouTube through affiliate marketing. This involves promoting other people's products or services and earning a commission on any sales generated through your unique affiliate link. This can be a great way to earn money online, especially if you have a niche audience that is interested in specific products or services. Now that we've covered some business ideas for making money online through YouTube, let's dive into some practical tips and strategies for using YouTube automation to grow your channel and increase your earning potential. One of the most important things to remember when using YouTube automation is to stay consistent with your content. This means publishing new videos on a regular schedule, engaging with your audience in the comments section, and promoting your videos through social media and other channels. By staying consistent, you can build a loyal following and increase your chances of earning money on YouTube. Another key aspect of YouTube automation is keyword research and optimization. By using tools like Google Keyword Planner and TubeBuddy, you can identify high-traffic keywords and phrases related to your niche and use them in your video titles, descriptions, and tags. This can help your videos rank higher in search results and increase your channel's visibility and reach. In addition to keyword research, it's also important to pay attention to your audience's preferences and interests. By analyzing your channel's analytics and metrics, you can identify which types of videos are resonating with your audience and create more content that caters to their interests. This can help you build a loyal and engaged following and increase your chances of earning money through advertising revenue and brand deals. Finally, it's important to stay up to date with the latest trends and best practices in YouTube automation. This means keeping an eye on industry news and developments, attending webinars and conferences, and staying active in online communities and forums related to YouTube and online earning. In conclusion, YouTube automation can be a powerful tool for making money online and creating a successful and sustainable cash cow channel. By following the tips and strategies outlined in this video, you can increase your channel's reach and earning potential and build a loyal and engaged audience. So, whether you're just starting out on YouTube or looking to take your channel to the next level, be sure to leverage the power of YouTube automation to achieve your goals and create a successful online business. If you're new to YouTube automation, there are many tools and services available that can help you automate various aspects of your channel. For example, video editing software like Adobe Premiere Pro or Final Cut Pro can help you create professional-looking videos quickly and easily. Social media scheduling tools like Hootsuite or Buffer can help you promote your videos on multiple platforms at once. And analytics tools like Google Analytics or vidIQ can help you track your channel's performance and identify areas for improvement. In addition to these tools and services, it's also important to stay up to date with the latest trends and best practices in YouTube automation. This means keeping an eye on industry news and developments, attending webinars and conferences, and staying active in online communities and forums related to YouTube and online earning. One trend that's gaining popularity in the world of YouTube automation is the use of artificial intelligence, AI, and machine learning algorithms to automate various aspects of a YouTube channel. For example, AI-powered video editors like Magisto or Lumen 5 can help you create professional-looking videos in minutes, while AI-powered chatbots like MobileMonkey or ManyChat can help you engage with your audience and answer common questions. Another trend in YouTube automation is the use of virtual assistants and freelancers to help with tasks like video editing, social media management, and audience engagement. By hiring virtual assistants or freelancers through platforms like Fiverr or Upwork, you can save time and effort while also leveraging the expertise of professionals in your field. Ultimately, the key to success with YouTube automation is to experiment and find what works best for your channel and audience. Whether you're using tools and services, AI-powered technologies, or virtual assistants and freelancers, the goal is to save time and effort while also increasing your channel's reach and earning potential. In conclusion, YouTube automation can be a powerful tool for making money online and creating a successful and sustainable cash cow channel. By following the tips and strategies outlined in this video, you can increase your channel's reach and earning potential and build a loyal and engaged audience. Whether you're just starting out on YouTube or looking to take your channel to the next level, be sure to leverage the power of YouTube automation to achieve your goals and create a successful online business. Before we end this video, let's review some of the key takeaways. YouTube automation can save you time and effort while increasing your channel's reach and earning potential. There are many tools and services available for YouTube automation, including video editing software, social media scheduling tools, and analytics tools. Artificial intelligence and machine learning algorithms can be used to automate various aspects of your channel, including video editing and audience engagement. Virtual assistants and freelancers can help with tasks like video editing, social media management, and audience engagement. Experimentation and adaptation is key to success with YouTube automation. Be sure to try out different tools and strategies to see what works best for your channel and audience. In conclusion, YouTube automation is a powerful tool for making money online and building a successful cash cow channel. By leveraging the latest technologies and strategies, you can save time and effort while increasing your channel's reach and earning potential. So what are you waiting for? Start automating your YouTube channel today and watch your online business grow. Thank you for watching this video on YouTube automation and how to make money online in 2023. We hope that you found it informative and useful for your own online business goals. If you have any questions or comments, please feel free to leave them down below in the comment section. We love to hear from our viewers and will do our best to respond to as many comments as possible. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more videos on online earning, YouTube automation, and other business ideas. And be sure to hit the notification bell to stay up to date on our latest content. Lastly, we want to remind you that while YouTube automation can be a great tool for making money online, it's important to always follow ethical and legal guidelines for your channel. This includes not engaging in spammy or misleading tactics, properly disclosing sponsored content, and respecting the privacy and rights of your audience. Thank you again for watching, and we wish you all the best in your online earning and YouTube automation journey.